Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today we're talking about best. Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today we're talking about best online brand new. Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today we're talking about best online platform new launch site. The name is bitokex.org. You can see here the name is bitokex.org. Best online platform. You just invest your money and then for a very short time. And look at that. This is the interface on your screen here now. You can see here. I explain you all the details very deeply. You can see here. And this is our receive vouchers here. Now you can receive here and invite link here now to connect here. So this is a mining pools here, account you can see here. This is the details of our platform. I hope you understand now. So you can open the link here. You can see here bitokex.org, the best online platform. Just invest your money and not for a short time now. So let's back to our personal wallet. So open your wallet here now. Token pocket. Look at that. Open your wallet and now this type of interface here. You can see here. So let's you can see the discover options here now. You can see click the discover options here now and paste the address here. So look at that, paste the address here now. You can see enter the link of paste here now, paste here. You can see the website link address here, paste and then go to tab option here now. So got it, and look at that. You can see here this tab interface on your screen here now. You can see the website is opening here now. Look at that, the website is opening now. Look at that, guys. You can see here website is opening here. You can see, so this is the interface on your screen here now. Look at that. Now you can see here, look at that, wallet are attached now. So wallet are attached here. You can see this type of interface on your screen here now. You can see the wallet are attached here. Look at that. So now you can see this type of interface here. I hope you understand now. You can see. So now open the browsers here. Look at that, this type of interface on your screen here now. You can see. So first of all, you can receive here now. Click on receive now. When you receive here this type of interface on your screen here now, you can see you need to gas pay feature benefits from your wallet and in BNB to gas is confirm now. When you confirm here, look at that. So granted here proof here now. The next step, and then this is the interface here. You can see to confirm the payment here now. So enter your password. So enter the password, confirm now. When you confirm here, look at that, this type of interface on your screen here now. You can see the payment was successfully. Look at that, the payment was successfully is confirmed now. And now look at that, this type of interface on your screen here now. The mining is starting here. Now you can see the mining is starting here now. Look at that. So this is the interface here. You can see, I hope you understand now. The wallet are attached successfully. The mining are starting now. So next options are pool data here, total output here now, the current hash rate, the participates here, the user revenues. So what is the real participates here? VIP 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 2% here now. VIP 2 2.5, VIP 3 3.5 here now, the VIP 4 here 4% here now, VIP 5 you can see 5% of VIP 6 here, 6% of VIP 7, the VIP 8 here now. And this is the mining options here, use of mining here. This is the address here now, because people who can earn money on daily basis here, the number of amounts and the people details here and the number of amounts. I hope you understand now. Look at that, and the people who can earn money from website on daily basis here now. So you can join us website and being a part of our community. So this is that you can see here how to join. Look at that, how to join here, participate in non-directed content or granted, and the liquidity mining here required to payment and participate gold mines here. The wallet address need to be claimed now. So this is, you can see here, and you can see how to withdraw money, how to you can convert currency and the withdraw money here. So I show you how to withdraw. So now back to the account options here. You can see here account option now, and now you can see this is the withdraw. You can see here this is the withdraw. Enter the amount. You can see here total balance here, and you can see 20 and check your currencies here now and USDT here and the confirm now. So daily withdraw is 3 here. Look at that. So this is the record. You can see this is the record here. Click on the record, the output and review. So this is the withdraw options here. Let's back to the mining pools here, and now you can see how to calculate your incomes. So when you claim your smart contract and start calculate your address, show your node and start to calculate your income here now. In next option, what are your extra gains when you have enough mining per day and keep it full time continuously. The mining pools have a lot of rewards and more details here. And this is the partners here now, the Binance here, Tron, Ethereum, SafePool, MetaMask, KuCoins and Trust Wallet. So you can use that wallet here and being a part of our community. So let's check our home screen here. And now account details here, look at that, my account details. My account is 0, yesterday is running here now, and the wallet balance here and the hit bets here now, total participation and the withdraw amount here. So this is my account details and this is the withdraw. And now next of the invite link here. So this is the invite link, look at that. This is my invite link here. You can see here. This is the common team profiles here, number of teams. Yesterday commissions here, level 1 and level 2, level 3 here. Team details, and share your friends. Copy the link here. With the help of this link, you get your own team now. So share your link here, friends. Join through your link and invite your friend. Join now. Enjoy the you can see your generation token reward now. And you can see here the VIP 1 here, like VIP 2 here now, the VIP 3 here, the VIP 4, VIP 5 here now, the VIP 6, VIP 7 here, and the VIP 8. So this is the VIP details here. I hope you understand now. So let's back here. I hope you understand. So this is our platform here. You can see here the mining best online platform. You just invest your money and then